Meaning of diner.
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 Diner. A diner is a type of restaurant that is usually casual and serves American-style cuisine such as burgers, fries, and milkshakes. It is often characterized by its retro decor, with booths and counter seating. Diners also typically offer breakfast dishes all day, and are often open 24 hours. The term diner can also refer to a person who is eating a meal in a restaurant, but this usage is less common. In general, a diner is a casual and nostalgic eatery that serves classic American comfort food.